Another update on the snow. It's kind of really bad out here. Got my dogs out, and I don't think they're liking it too much. Oh my God, guys. It is a bad one out here. Let me see if I can walk over here. What do you think, Ray? Huh? Look at all the snow. You gotta go potties. Go potty. Yes, it's very, very windy out here. Looks like it stopped for the most part for right now, but it's going to be snowing all day long. Yes, we got quite a bit of snow so far, guys. Alright, I'm going to go get my other dog, make sure she's okay. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.